what happens during integration itself? Well, I believe there's 4 phases to the integration process. The first is landing. The landing process is really about rest, reconnection to self, and truly allowing these new and familiar surroundings to integrate. Then we have the reflection phase. This can take many different forms for different people. For many people, it's around journaling. It's about taking reflective writing. And in the reflection phase, it's about taking small steps to understanding what actually happened during that peak experience. Then we have the action step. And this is now where we can take these insights, experiences, these reflections, and start to create a step-by-step process for how we're actually going to incorporate these new habits, these new behaviors, these new thought patterns into our life in a more meaningful and sustainable way. Finally, there's reciprocity. So once we go and we do inner restoration, there's the element of outer regeneration, as I like to call it. So reciprocity is really about how we can translate all of these meaningful moments into actually making an impact on our communities, on society. So starting from landing into reflection, then to action and reciprocity, these are the 4 phases that we can look to as a way to guide our integration process.